Hey gorgeous things, let's talk fashion. Specifically, a piece that's both timeless and trendy, the Lace Victorian Blouse. It's romantic, it's delicate, and trust me, it's way more wearable than you think. We're going to break down how to rock this vintage-inspired piece. Think of it as giving your wardrobe a touch of history and a whole lot of style. Whether you're drawn to its intricate details or its air of elegance, the Victorian blouse is back and ready to elevate your everyday look. Get ready to embrace your inner romantic with a modern twist. Okay, a little history lesson, but don't worry, it's fashion history. Back in the Victorian era, think 1837 to 1901, these blouses were all the rage. They were all about high necks, long sleeves, and delicate lace. Women wore them as a symbol of femininity and status. Fast forward to today, and designers are still drawing inspiration from this iconic era. But here's the thing, modern Victorian blouses have a contemporary edge. They're more relaxed, more versatile, and way more comfortable. Let's talk casual. One of the easiest ways to style a Victorian blouse is with a good pair of jeans. The contrast of textures, delicate lace against rugged denim, creates an effortlessly chic look. Choose a slightly loose-fitting blouse for a relaxed vibe, or tuck it into high-waisted jeans to accentuate your waist. Distressed denim adds a cool, edgy touch, while a classic wash keeps things simple and sophisticated. For a more feminine and romantic look, pair your lace blouse with a flowy skirt. Think midi or maxi lengths in soft fabrics like chiffon or silk. A floral print adds a touch of whimsy, while a solid colour keeps things classic and versatile. Opt for a skirt with a bit of volume to balance the fitted silhouette of the blouse. Section 5. Trouser Triumph polished looks for work and play. Don't underestimate the power of a well-tailored trouser. A Victorian blouse instantly elevates trousers, creating a look that's both polished and fashion-forward. Choose a high-waisted style in a neutral colour like black, navy or beige. For a more relaxed look, try wide-leg trousers. For a more sophisticated vibe, go for a slim-fitting or cropped style. Section 6. Accessorize with attitude, completing your Victorian vibe. Accessories are key to personalizing any outfit, and the Victorian blouse is no exception. A statement necklace adds a touch of glamour, while delicate earrings keep things simple and elegant. For a more bohemian look, try layering on necklaces with different lengths and textures. A wide-brimmed hat or a silk scarf adds a touch of vintage flair. Section 7, occasion ready, from brunch dates to evening soirees. The beauty of the Victorian blouse is its versatility. Dress it down for casual outings or dress it up for more formal events. For a brunch date with friends, pair it with jeans and sandals. For an evening soiree, opt for a sleek skirt and heels. A blazer adds a touch of sophistication, while a leather jacket gives it an edgy vibe. Section 8. Layer up, mastering textures and proportions. Don't be afraid to experiment with layering. A Victorian blouse looks amazing under a blazer, a cardigan, or even a denim jacket. The key is to balance proportions. If your blouse is loose-fitting, pair it with a more fitted bottom layer. And don't forget to play with textures. A chunky knit cardigan adds cozy warmth, while a leather jacket adds a touch of edge. Section 9. Timeless elegance, modern you. So there you have it. The Victorian blouse is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down to suit any occasion. Embrace its timeless elegance, experiment with different styles and accessories, and most importantly, make it your own. Remember, fashion is all about expressing your unique personality. Now go out there and rock that lace. You got this?